like proud moment for us.
So today I'm in a college and we'll be asking students what do they think about the proud moment.
Nowadays it's very common for people to use these type of words towards girls, and she is literally like promoting the fact that we should call girls like that. So nowadays teenagers are also in social media that affects their mental health too, and they have been learning bad words. So I don't think that this is a very like proud moment for us.
I think it's a little diabolical that people are doing it, and I even saw a post where a 15-year-old had that written. So I don't think that's really appropriate for anyone, be it a 15-year-old. This is what parents are most worried about when they expose their children to the internet, and I'm kind of against it, not gonna lie, because you're teaching a 15-year-old what that word means and you're asking them to be proud about it and be it too. So I don't think a 15-year-old's parents would be proud.
হটে বলতে গেলে এটা কোনো দিক থেকে প্রাউড নয়, একদমই প্রাউড নয়। মানে তুমি একটা মেয়েকে বলা হচ্ছে, বারবার করে বলা হচ্ছে, এবার সে অধৈর্য হয়ে সেটা বলেছে অবভিয়াসলি, বাট একটা 15-16 বছরের মেয়েরা সেটাকে হ্যাশট্যাগ মনে করেছে। এটা এখনকার জেনারেশন কুল হতে পারে, কিন্তু অ্যাকচুয়ালি সেটা কুল না, সেটা কোনো দিক থেকেই কেউ অ্যাপ্রিসিয়েট করবে না।